Yay! Ours is woof, woof, quack, quack. Cow is moo, moo. And a pig is oink, oink, oink. Hi, how are you doing?
Hello, hello. I'm doing great.
Good, good. And how was your day today?
Well, it's 9:15. It just started.
Oh, right, exactly. Sorry, I've been having a lot of people from from Asia and stuff, and right now it's like probably 7 p.m. for them, 8 p.m. So I'm always asking, "How was your day?" So I'm in the okay. So how is your morning?
Yeah. I got up a couple of hours ago, like
Mm,
7. Yeah, it's been a calm morning so far.
good, good, good. Oh, 7 a.m. Wow. And what are your plans for today?
Gotta tell you that I'm a little bit sad because today I was supposed to celebrate the Carnival.
Oh, right. The carnival, right? The Three Kings Day. Yeah.
Are you familiar with the Brazilian Carnival?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Out here in Portugal, there's a lot of Brazilians, and yeah, they tell me a lot about it. So I've
Yeah.
seen pictures. It's so much fun. Yeah.
The famous one is Salvador.
Mm,
A lot of people go there to celebrate this big party, and yeah,
mm.
a little bit sad, but
Uh, and do you live near Salvador?
hmm I was
Oh,
I was born there.
oh, so this means a lot to you then.
If
Yeah. Wow.
you figure it out.
Yeah. And what are your plans for today then? Anything to celebrate it?
I think I'm gonna spend the whole day crying about that.
Oh,
Suffering.
yeah.
No, just
Well,
kidding. Uh,
yeah.
so I think let's go with the flow, right? I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe gonna go to the beach and trying to do something funny.
Yeah. Something fun, right?
But yeah, speaking of fun, I have
Mm.
a game to play with ya. I'm
Oh,
gonna
cool.
gonna
Okay.
test your knowledge in Portuguese.
Oh, oh, in Portuguese. Okay. I have my book with me to study. So,
Uh, I'm gonna say a couple of widely used idioms here in Brazil,
okay.
and you are going to figure them out, the meaning.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Okay, I will say this. I am very beginner, but I will try.
No, but I'm gonna say in English, so you have to
Oh, okay.
figure out the meaning in
Okay.
English. All right. I think this one is really easy because you have the same idiom in English, so
Okay.
you can easily say that correctly. To kill two rabbits with one hit.
Okay. Yep. So we say uh killing two birds with one stone.
Yeah,
Sorry.
exactly. Here we
Mhm.
say to kill two rabbits with one hit. Like it's a little bit mean because you're gonna kill a little rabbit. Oh my
I know. Two of them.
god.
Not just one, but two. Yeah. But I mean, it's the same thing with birds, like, yeah. So,
Do you have you ever heard this idiom in Portugal before?
How does it say in Portuguese?
Matar dois coelhos.
Matar. No, never
Nope.
did. No. But I haven't really been speaking so much Portuguese out here. Yeah, so it's definitely yeah, I'm right now I'm just learning the verbs, conjugating the verbs, like and then like yeah, trying to understand fazer, like
Fazer.
eu faço, tu faz. Yeah, it's why is it so many meanings? It's like to make, to put, to run, to take. Like it's so many meanings for this faço.
Well,
Fazer.
I think you guys have a verb in English, not only, but for example, have get that has multiple meanings.
Hmm.
You have take that
That
has
is true.
multiple meanings. You have sat that
Mm,
has multiple meanings.
that is true.
So
Makes sense to me, but yeah.
you are not allowed to complain about it.
You do have a point. You do have a point. And yeah, certain words are the same spelling but mean two different things. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, for
All
sure.
right, the next one it's really good. I use
Okay.
that a lot. Um, Literal translation is crocodile tears.
Crocodile tears. I think I've heard of this before. This sounds familiar, especially like in a song, maybe. Crocodile tears. I feel like there's a song or something.
You have 5 seconds to give me the answer. Go.
Okay. I have no idea the meaning though. But
It is fake tears
uh,
when someone pretends to cry about a situation.
okay. Okay.
We say that crocodile tears. Do you
Mhm.
have something similar in English?
Um no, I think we just say fake cry. Yeah, we just
Fake
fake
cry.
cry. Yeah. I mean, we have something where it's this one the boy who cried wolf. I'm pretty sure in Portuguese they have that as well. Like when the boy is like, oh, like, just joking a lot and he cries wolf, 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 and the people come and he's like, just kidding, there's no wolf. And then the next
All right.
day, wolf, wolf,
Mm-hmm.
wolf, nope, nothing, just kidding. And then a wolf actually comes and he's like, wolf, 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 and they're like, oh, he's just kidding around. So yeah.
I gotta tell you that it's funny that you say woof woof woof
Mhm.
in a wall because it seems like you are barking.
Oh. No, he doesn't bark on top of the hill, but he says wolf, wolf. Yeah, there's a wolf. There's a wolf. Yeah.
Speaking of barking, the other day I was teaching my friend how to bark in English.
In English, really? Really? Okay.
Because in Portuguese is ow 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 ow.
Oh, right. Ours is wolf, wolf. Yeah.
Yeah, but in English it's different.
What about a duck? Is it quack?
I'm sorry.
A duck? Is it quack, quack?
Yeah, the same.
Okay. Okay. This is yeah, there's different ones.
What about the birds?
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Chirp chirp. No,
Yeah,
no.
chirp.
Here it pew pew pew.
And then a pig is oink, oink, oink.
Well, yeah, here it's a little bit different, but I'm not
Okay.
sounds right now.
And then a cow is moo, moo.
I don't want to embarrass myself.
It's okay. It's a-okay. But yeah, there's some differences
Yeah,
again.
the cow, it's the same.
Okay, okay. I see. I can't really come up
And
with any other, but
the cat, I think, is the same also.
okay, okay.
The cat.
Meow.
Meow.
Yeah, exactly. Meow. For sure.
Speaking of cat, our next idiom,
Okay.
it is related to the cat. To buy a cat as a hare.
Okay, so to buy a cat as a hare, like hare as in a rabbit.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
We don't have an idiom like that. Mm-mm.
Yes, you are.
It's
And I'm telling you, it is to buy a pig in a park.
to buy a pig in the park. I haven't
In
heard
a
that
park.
one.
Poke.
P-O-Q-K.
K. K. K.
Is it
K.
park?
No. Poke.
Oh, to buy a pig in a poke. See, I don't know that one, but in English, it might be British English as well, or it might be American or somewhere in America. But I've never heard of this idiom before.
But this idiom means when you buy something without taking care for it, like thoroughly the
Mm.
taking good look at the that you are buying.
Oh, okay. So you don't. So you're just kind of like buying it like this in a way.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Interesting.
It's like uh, comprar gato por lebre.
Okay. So comprar is to buy, and the other is okay. Yeah.
Lebre.
Mm. Oh, okay. Livery. Yeah.
Okay, this one doesn't make sense at all for you, but
Uh-huh.
little monkey.
That's it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. Little monkey.
Is that like calling someone little monkey, or
Nope.
so it's just kind of yeah. I have no idea.
Like when you make a mistake, make a goof.
Uh ah
Yeah, you say that.
yeah. Make a mistake. Yeah. Make a
Make a
goof.
mistake.
Okay. Yeah. And how do you say that in Portuguese?
Uh, pagar mico.
Pegar mijo. Okay. Yeah. I don't even have that in my notes at all. So yeah, I've never heard of that one before. Yeah.
The next one is really good. To talk like a parrot.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I feel like I've heard of that idiom as well. Yeah. Similar to something. Yeah.
Like someone who is really talkative.
Right. That doesn't stop. Right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Are you the kind of person?
Oh, I mean, no, I guess like, yeah, maybe sometimes it depends on the day. But yeah, but I'm trying
I thought
trying to think of another idiom that's um
to talk a mile in a minute in
oh,
English.
talking, yeah, to talk like yeah, to talk in a miles per minute, something like that. But I can't find the words in the correct order, really. But yeah.
It is difficult to speaking about an idiom, right? You say
Mm.
them naturally, but when you have to stop and think, it's a little bit difficult.
Right, right, exactly. And sometimes they don't make sense at all. So, and sometimes they do. So you kind of have to figure it out. It's kind of like a puzzle. Mhm.
Yeah. I have a book like I have this book has more than 8,000 of idioms.
Oh,
Really good.
in English.
in English. Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, I didn't even know that there was that many. So, yeah. But some of them, you have to keep in mind, some of them are older idioms, and sometimes there's newer ones as well. So, all right. Well, nice to see you.
All right. Hope to talk to you next
Will
week.
do. All right. Take care. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
Bye-bye.